Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Root Cause. Imagine a billionaire with private jets, island parties, and a little black book full of the world's elite politicians, royals, celebrities. Then, files get unsealed, exposing a web of sex trafficking, blackmail, and power. This is the story of Jeffrey Epstein files that rocked the world. Stick around as we break it down step by step with the real documents. If you are new, hit subscribe for more deep dives into hidden histories. Let's jump in. Jeffrey Epstein wasn't born into money, he built an empire through sheer cunning. Born in 1953 in Brooklyn, New York, he dropped out of college but landed a teaching gig at the elite Dalton School. There, he networked with the ultra-rich. By the 1980s, he was a Wall Street wizard at Bear Stearns, then launched his own firm managing billions. But the real fortune? Connections. Epstein hobnobbed with presidents like Bill Clinton, Britain's Prince Andrew, Bill Gates, and countless moguls. He owned a Manhattan townhouse, a New Mexico ranch, and that infamous Little St. James Island in the U.S. Virgin Islands dubbed Pedo Island by locals. Officially, he was a financier. Unofficially, rumors swirled of something darker. Enter Ghislaine Maxwell, British socialite and Epstein's right-hand woman. Daughter of media tycoon Robert Maxwell, she met Epstein in the early 1990s. They became partners in business and allegedly much more. Maxwell is accused of recruiting young women for Epstein's circle, luring them with promises of modeling gigs or massages that turned exploitative. By 2005, cracks appeared. Palm Beach police investigated Epstein after a 14-year-old girl reported abuse at his Florida mansion. Dozens of victims emerged, many teens from broken homes. Paid $200 to $300 for massages that escalated. Epstein could have faced life in prison. Instead, in 2008, he cut a secret plea deal. Just 13 months in a cushy county jail with work released to his office. U.S. Attorney Alex Acosta, later Trump's labor secretary, oversaw it. Victims weren't told until after. Why the sweetheart deal? Epstein's lawyers invoked the Crime Victims' Rights Act and won on appeal years later. It screamed protection from above. Fast forward to 2019. Miami Herald reporter Julie K. Brown's perversion of justice series reignited outrage. Epstein was arrested July 6th at Teterboro Airport, fresh from Paris, federal charges. Sex trafficking minors from 2002 to 2005. Raids uncovered cash, diamonds, a fake passport. Then, August 10th, Epstein found dead in his cell. Official ruling, suicide by hanging, but broken neck. Bones, sleeping guards, missing cameras, conspiracy theories exploded. Epstein didn't kill himself became a meme. Autopsy bagged suicide, but doubts linger. Now, the files. In December 2023 and January 2024, a New York judge unsealed over 900 pages from Virginia Giuffre's 2015 defamation suit against Maxwell. Giuffre, a key victim, alleged Epstein and Maxwell trafficked her to powerful men. Key revelations: flight logs to Little St. James, naming Clinton 26 trips, Prince Andrew, Alan Dershowitz. Epstein's massage scheduler listing 100-plus girls, some as young as 14. Depositions. Giuffre claims sex with Andrew, he denies. Settled lawsuit. Johanna Schoberg testified. Epstein once said, Clinton likes them young. Black book excerpts with 1,700-plus contacts. Trump, Bloomberg. Mick Jagger. No new charges from these mostly known names. No client lists proving crimes. But they paint Epstein as a connector for the elite. Maxwell, convicted in 2021 on 5 counts, including child sex trafficking, sentenced to 20 years. She's appealing from a Florida supermax. Victims continue suing Epstein's estate to over $150 million paid out. Morgan settled for $290 million over enabling Epstein. Prince Andrew lost titles. Clinton denies island wrongdoing. Many named were witnesses or staff. Not accused, the Epstein saga exposes how wealth shields predators. It questions accountability for the powerful. Files remind us sunlight disinfects. Brown's journalism proves one voice can topple empires. What do you think, suicide or something more? Drop comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more untold stories. Check the description for sources like courtlistener.com and the Miami Herald. See you next time!